Hello, welcome to Ravi Positional Trades. So let us see the today's activity like March 4th. So what happened in the market and so what will be the levels for tomorrow for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today both Nifty Bank Nifty opened gap down and recovered some of it during the day, but by end of the closing session, both Nifty and Bank Nifty came back to the opening levels. Right, so it's not either bull session or bear session. It's a range bound session and very volatile. And so tomorrow session also will be like a range bound session, and don't take any huge positions as the range bound session will continue tomorrow. So for intraday traders, Fractal gave entry points in Nifty in the morning session, and Bank Nifty gave entry point at resistance level in the afternoon. So here are the levels to watch for tomorrow, March 5th. Nifty is in the continuing its positive trend, although it is volatile. So the levels to Nifty reversal level is at 14,685 and support trend level is at 15,073. So Bank Nifty is continuing its range bound session, and it's moving up and down between support and resistance levels. So we'll see what are the support and resistance levels on the chart. Right, USD INR is came down from higher levels and is testing the support trend levels at 73 rupees. So you can see the chart. So to check the trading activity for today, so because of the gap down, we have to book the long trades in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and after some time the support trend again turned positive, so we initiated longs again, right, in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we have two positions in Nifty which are long, right? So one is positive, one is negative, and we have one position in Bank Nifty which is long. So I'm checking for Bank Nifty levels, reversal levels. It's closer to 36,750. So we'll see like how the market will be tomorrow. I think on the nearby session it will be range bound because it tested higher levels and lower levels. It probably settled down at this range for some time. Right, USD INR is testing the 73 rupees level, and so we'll see how it behaves. Right, so so it's a very volatile March features so far. Nifty is at losses for now, and Bank Nifty is also in the negative. Right, so we may like see like March futures will be like range bound futures for some time because it's testing the highs and lows and it's not moving any further, and USD INR is settled down at 73 rupees. Let us see how the trading activity for today on the charts. So if you see the Nifty chart, it gapped down and reversed the super trend. So we had to close the positional trade, and again it moved back up, right, between support and resistance levels. So there is a fractal entry here. It's we have a fractal, upward fractal at support level. So there is an intraday trade done here with some profit, right? So then again super trend turned positive, so we took a long trade here. So this is basically the candle is inside candle from yesterday. If you look at the daily chart, so it formed like an inside candle, right? So inside candle, so the Nifty positive trend still there, right? So if you look at Bank Nifty also, it gapped down and it was in the middle of the range between support and resistance, so it moved up and again it moved down. So while moving down, we got a fractal that's formed in the top at the support level, and if you take a trade here, so you probably got a profit in the intraday, right? So again, today is a range bound session for Bank Nifty, and so we initiated long again as super trend is above the moving average, and so we have a one open long position, and we are watching the reversal level at 36,750, right? So USD INR is trying to stay positive. It's at the testing levels for super trend, so we'll see how it behaves tomorrow, right? So these are the levels for tomorrow. Let us see how the trend lines for Nifty and Bank Nifty in the trading view, and what will be the trading levels for tomorrow. So let's first, this is the Nifty chart. Let's go to the daily candles. So this is the daily candles. So we don't have any fractals formed. So we have like two positive candles here. So one long candle and one short candle that is formed today. So the trend lines are same for Nifty for daily part. Let us check it. Check it the hourly. So this is the hourly. So this line may be a little bit more higher, right? So a little higher. The downward line is a little bit down. So the Nifty will be range bound tomorrow. It will be the positive bias. It will be positive bias with the levels between 15,100 to 15,420, and so if you want to see support levels, there is a support here. It can be support or resistance around 15,200, right? 15,200 can be support, or if you want to look at these two lines, so let's say, let's remove this. Let's try, we got two lines, two tops here. So this will be one line. So this is a downward line. This is the upward line. So this is the downward trend line. This is upward trend line. So it's at the cross, right? So we'll see if it actually breaks this. So there will be support around 14,950 levels, and if it goes above this, right? So it will be a triangle tomorrow. So if it goes above 15,100, it will be positive. If it goes below 15,050, something like that, it will become negative line. So tomorrow will be like range bound session, and should be careful. Don't take huge positions during this time. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Let's go for daily first. So this is the daily one. So the trend levels are same. I think we're still continuing with this range bound session in the Bank Nifty. So this candle is almost inside the yesterday's candle. So it's a range bound session. So the levels didn't change for daily levels. So let's see the hourly. So this is the hourly levels. I think we have this upper level resistance. So it's coming like this, and lower level is coming like this. So it will be narrow range session for tomorrow between 35,720 and this is around 36,320. So there will be like around 600 points range. So if it breaks that 600 point range, it will either move upwards or downwards. So this is the expectation for tomorrow. So the Friday, also it's a Friday, so don't expect like too much activity on the indexes. It will be consolidation tomorrow. So if you like this analysis, click on the like button, and if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. Also join my Telegram channel to get live updates, and subscribe to my channel to get notifications whenever I post new videos. And